For the Royal Australian Navy, the most critical thing is to be operationally ready to defend, protect and advance Australia's interest. Maintaining complex naval infrastructure, like the LHD, so it's not just seaworthy, airworthy and battleworthy, but a lethal force in the Navy's arsenal, requires a trusted partnership that is unified in a vision and committed to success at all levels. To achieve this, we need transparency and cost-effective solutions that are developed in collaboration with the best minds and resources working as one. This is why the LHD ACPC team, a team committed to provide the best outcomes for the enterprise, have jointly developed the LHD Enterprise Charter. Together, we have established a vision to deliver a formidable LHD capability to the nation with pride, as well as a mission to be one cohesive team, delivering a materially seaworthy LHD capability safely and effectively, on time, every time. This charter will be the foundation for behaviours across the enterprise and ensure its success. We are an integrated team working together to deliver innovation and breakthrough performance that realises measurable benefits. Always focused on delivering the best outcome for the LHD asset class enterprise in an agile and responsive way. Maintaining focus on collective learning and expedient resolution of issues while taking accountability for our performance, good or bad. We are one team, supporting each other in sharing successes and embracing challenges to deliver the LHD capability. Our team will work together to a common outcome with trust, respect and integrity. Empowering personnel to identify and resolve problems by providing appropriate resources, knowledge and authority. Providing timely, fact-based, honest and transparent communication across the LHD asset class enterprise. We will establish a culture that is risk-aware, empowers proactive decision-making and capitalises on opportunities. It is these points that we are proud to associate with our industry reputations. Together, we give our full commitment to ensure that all our people working within the LHD asset class enterprise act in accordance with this charter and in the spirit of collaboration, keeping ships in service, reducing costs and keeping people safe. This is the future of defence contracts in Australia.